Hey guys, it's Jalone, Assistant Service Manager at Downtown Toyota from the Downtown Automotive Group, here to bring you another video on why the importance of preventative maintenance is so critical to your ownership of your Toyota. So you've just got your brand new vehicle, or maybe you picked up a great Toyota certified used vehicle, and now you need to know, how are we going to take care of this investment? How are we going to take care of that vehicle? And we're going to go through the service maintenance menu of your vehicle. So it's very important that to know every 6 months or 8,000 kilometers is when your service is due for your vehicle. And you're going to go through the service intervals of service 1, service 2, and service 3. Service 1 is your basic 6 months or 8,000 kilometers service. You're going to be doing your vehicle multi-point inspection, tire rotation, and topping up your fluids. Pretty basic. Your second service 2 is going to be your 1 year or 16,000 kilometers service. That also includes service 1, and we're adding the oil and filter change to that as well, and inspecting the vehicle. Next is going to be your service 3, which are due at 32,000 or 2 years, and it's a 160-point inspection, including service 1 and 2, so your tire rotation, your oil and filter change, an in-depth look of the battery and charging system, and your brakes. Toyota has designed this factory recommended service specifically for your vehicles, and GR vehicles have a different schedule. The importance of preventative maintenance is crucial to your vehicle. Did you know 98% of vehicles serviced at the dealer do not experience breakdowns? That is the proactive versus reactive. Proactive is the preventative maintenance. We're taking care of that vehicle, we're inspecting everything that needs to be looked after, and making sure that your vehicle is there for you and your family. Keeping that vehicle maintained and serviced regularly keeps the value of that vehicle. All the records are held here at Downtown Toyota for your vehicle so that we can see everything that's been done and see the whole history of the vehicle. Keeps value retention for your vehicle. Toyotas are built to last, and that's no exception for the BZ, now the electric vehicles from Toyota. But let's not get something misconstrued. Electric vehicles still require maintenance. They still require preventative maintenance for the long life of the vehicle, overall battery health. While they don't need oil changes, they still need servicing and inspecting to make sure that that vehicle will serve you for many years to come. A well-maintained vehicle goes hand in hand with peace of mind. That's why here at Downtown Toyota, we have factory-trained technicians, genuine parts, to make sure that your vehicles are done right and done right the first time. We want to make sure that all the servicing needs is taken care of for you and your family. So be sure to schedule your vehicle into Downtown Toyota and have our Toyota technician service your vehicle.